This is the smooth swing outside turn. We're going to demonstrate with music first and then break it down. One thing you'll notice about turns in smooth swing is that in general, the leader and the follower are switching places. It's not going to be a perfect 180-degree switch, but generally speaking, you need to change places. Let's do the leader's footwork first, and then we'll do the follower's footwork. I'm going to start by facing away so that you can follow along. When you're ready to do the turn, as you step back on your left foot on count 1, your right arm completely drops. We call this the turn signal, and it lets your partner know that a turn or something is coming up, so they better pay close attention. So we're going to go drop, step. That's on counts 1, 2. Going on, I go 1, 2, 3. I step forward on my left foot as I raise my left hand to make space for my partner. On count 4, I'm going to bring my right foot together with my left. My hand will lower, and then I'll go back into the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me do that again and connect all the counts for you. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your follower will be passing you on your left side under your left arm. In order for you to rotate correctly, you need to put your weight on the ball of your left foot so you can go about 180 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to step back into the basic, as I said, and don't feel rushed to reconnect your right hand. If you're stepping back, trying to grab with the right hand, it's going to look a little funny. Play it cool. Don't be desperate to grab it back. Back, step. Maybe you'll pick up their hand on the forward step. I'll show you that with a partner so it'll make a little more sense. Before we do that, let's do the follower's footwork. Ashton's going to demonstrate on the diagonal so followers can follow along. She's going to step back on her right foot. 1, 2. She's already gotten the signal of the dropped hand, so she's got her eyes up. She's watching her partner to see which direction to go. She's going to step forward on her right foot. 3, and she's going to rotate over her shoulder, feet together on 4. After that, the right foot goes back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we continue into our swing basic. Let's do that again and connect all the counts together. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll demonstrate together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll notice there's no rush to get our other hand back. Another nice detail that the follower can do is wrap their left arm around their waist. It can be either straight across to maybe match the line of a dress, or it's also nice to make it diagonal. It just makes a nice clean line and gives that arm something to do. If the arm is just hanging there casually, it doesn't always look as nice. Also, after that, the follower can also release that arm back on their back step. Now these are styling choices for you to consider once you feel comfortable with the footwork. When you're learning anything new, always start feet first and then work your way up. Let's demonstrate again. We'll face this side. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. In smooth swing, we can either count in 8s or 4s. The choice is yours. One last detail. If you're having trouble with this, it might be because the leader's arm is too high. If my arm is almost fully extended and my partner tries to pass under, her head is really close to my elbow and it's a little scary for the follower. Instead, keep your left elbow up to create an arched doorway for her to go underneath. Ideally, she's going to go right under where your watch would be, maybe a little closer in. My hand only has to go about 2 inches above her head, unless she's going to be wearing a really elaborate hairdo, then I would lift it up a little bit higher. Again, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.